pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with a B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Pat a cake, baker's man. Make me some cookies as sweet as you can. Roll them and shape them and mark them with a star. Put them in the oven, we won't wait far.